Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Mazda 6 steering wheel. First, find the adjustment lever located beneath the steering column. Pull this lever down to release the steering wheel. Now, you can move the wheel up or down to achieve your preferred vertical position. Once you have found a comfortable height, simply push the lever back up firmly to lock the steering wheel securely into its new place. This ensures stability while driving. Next, let's adjust the telescopic reach. With the lever still down, you can pull the steering wheel towards you or push it away. This allows you to find the perfect distance for your arms, ensuring a slight bend at the elbows for comfort and control. Make sure you can easily reach all pedals. Once set, push the lever up to lock it. For optimal driving posture, always adjust your seat first. Sit with your back firmly against the seat, then adjust the steering wheel. Ensure you have a clear, unobstructed view of the instrument cluster. Also, maintain a safe distance of at least 10 inches from the center of the steering wheel to your chest, allowing the airbag to deploy safely if needed. Before driving, always double-check that your steering wheel is firmly locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm. Also, test your horn and turn signals to ensure they are easily accessible and functioning correctly. Your comfort and control are paramount for a safe journey. If you experience any discomfort during your drive, pull over safely and readjust as needed.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.